So the X in the DXP is for experts, and what it means to me is that if you don't have the knowledge of the product that the customer is coming to you about, there's someone within DXP that has the expertise.
Well, DXP is all about people. It feels like a family.
I kind of grew up in construction and grew up, around all these types of products that we sell, but I've never been an expert in them. Luckily, the people that I came in to and all my colleagues and coworkers when I started poured into me. They poured into me about bearings and power transmission and about safety supplies and about pumps and motors and all these things.
I have been here almost 2 years, and I can 100% say that for sure. Working with these people has taught me so much.
I like this job because it's challenging. Every day it's something different. When they come in here is opportunity to learn about a variety of pumps.
To me, the term DXPeople means the entire team of totally awesome individuals that share a do whatever it takes kind of attitude.
DXP has the most talented group of folks in the business. They appreciate and recognize veterans, and our leadership team is people-oriented and second to none as far as driving our business segments to new heights.
We pride ourselves on being the experts. And if we're not the expert in it yet, give us a minute and we will be.
The X is for expert. The X is for expert.
The X is for expert.
The X is for expert.
The X is for expert.
The X is for expert.